Hey folks, I just wanted to give you a little tour in Canvas on your classroom. So when you click into our class, go in, enter, we see this. You can start here and that will take you to your first learning module. That's how our class is organized. So every week you're going to get a new module. I'll usually try to publish it by Sunday evening. And most everything begins, the due dates start Thursday for discussions, Saturday for responding to those discussions to peers, and then Sunday you have to get your practices and your quizzes in. And then new module comes out Sunday evening and you can begin your work for the next week. So if you go to this, you can see it's modules here. And then the getting started module, just go through that. If you're a beginner to Canvas, this is going to be really helpful. At least watch the, which you're in, navigating the course, Zoom etiquette, go through, and meeting me, because I have a little intro video I'd love you to see. This is just additional resources for you if you would like to go through those. The most important for this week is our week 1 module. And so what you do is you click on the tab and it takes you through, and notice that at the bottom of each of these tabs there is an option to hit next. So you can go through the module by hitting next, or you can go back to the module if you'd like and go back down to get to whatever tab you need. Okay. I wanted to talk to you briefly about the overview. I'm always going to have this. It's good for all of us. Whenever you're in a class, it's important to look at the big picture. So I really want us to focus on that. This week, we're going to talk about picturing graphs with distributions. So how do we deal with data? The world is full of data. How can we make it pretty in a graph? And we're going to look at different graphs this week, and also how to define those variables that we get from data. So this is what you have to do to complete this week, and that's read everything in the module, look at all the different videos I've posted in the module, and then Confer Now is your link to our online live sessions. We have 2 sections of statistics, a Tuesday, Thursday, and a Monday, Wednesday. So Mondays and Tuesday lectures will be roughly the same. If you miss your Monday class, feel free to join our Tuesday class. It's all in the Confer Now. Okay, so you can click on this link and it will take you to the links to your Zoom. I'll also, for a while at the beginning of the semester, send announcements with the links every session so that you have those. The class, you also need to complete the class survey, mathematical mindsets and introductions discussion, week 1 practice, this is online, and your quiz 1. We're going to talk about all of those soon. I have to leave the student view to get back into mine just so that you guys can see all of these. And I'm also going to take you to the module because my assignments aren't showing up until tomorrow officially when school begins. So if we go through here, one thing to look out for when you go through this tab in this chapter 1, I often will set up a page that has different tabs. Please go through all of the tabs and make sure you click on all of the links and watch all of the videos that I'm putting up here, okay? And then there, once again, is our next. So you'll go through all of these. This is a link that I have to Confer Now to your meeting. And that's to the Tuesday session. And then we go to our next. We're going to have a PowerPoint available to you. And you get the idea. So if you ever get lost in your module, just click on this module button and that'll take you back. All of our discussions will be here. The most important thing, in my opinion, is the assignments page because it lists it all. It might be a little different in student view for you, but this is all of everything that we have to do this week. We have to do a quiz 1. And what you're going to do with your quizzes is you're going to take the quiz and you're going to download it. Print it if you can. If not, just write your quiz, your answers on a separate sheet of paper, scan it with your phone using Adobe Scan or something else. I prefer a scan versus a picture. It's easier for me to read. And then upload it back into the same area where you can turn it in. And you'll see I think it's different on my view, but you can submit here. Upload your file right there. Okay? And same goes for, well, with your practice, it's online. So let's go back to the assignments. And we will talk about all of this. I don't want to bore you too much on this for now, but you can take a look at all of the things that you have to do and come with questions or come visit me during office hours. Okay, I look forward to meeting you all on Zoom. Please, if you can and feel comfortable, I'd love to see your faces. It makes such a difference in our Zoom sessions. So be an active participant. Be ready to go into breakout rooms and talk with your peers and work on problems and get to know us. We'll have fun if you contribute. Okay, thanks everybody.